The island of Hawaii, also known as the Big Island, stands as the largest and youngest member of the Hawaiian archipelago, sculpted by the forces of 5 volcanoes: Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa, Kilauea, Hualalai, and Kohala. The Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers a unique experience with its 2 active volcanoes, Kilauea and Mauna Loa. Here, visitors have the opportunity to walk through lava tubes, witness steam vents and fumarolas, and see molten lava flowing into the ocean.